Oh my God. Woo. Hey, so I just got off Black Widow here at Kennywood.
I did not.
Yeah. First ride of the day, and I would say I don't know what you call these rides, the like spinning top thing, but
they're just considered flat rides, I think. But
yeah,
I mean,
it's a flat ride, but I don't know its exact name. I think it's actually a flying frisbee is what it's called.
Okay.
But yeah, this one at Kennywood is by far the biggest one of these I've ever ridden. It is amazing. It almost goes. The other ones usually kind of stop at like a 90-degree angle. This thing gets up like pretty fast. You get some airtime on it, but I have to say this one's well worth it if you ever get to ride it. Amazing ride.